Hey friends, so today we're going to be making some canned strawberry jam. I haven't canned in like 7-8 months since we moved to the apartment. We're going just by the directions in this pectin box. I'm going to be using the no sugar and the Splenda recipe. Just try it out. The recipe calls for 3 cups of strawberries. I wasn't sure, so I bought frozen strawberries. This is 1.5 pounds, so I have 3 pounds. I don't have time to sit here and wait for it to thaw, so I'm just going to pour them into a pot with some water, pulverize them to crush them up. And in the meantime, I'm going to wash my jars, my lids, and my utensils. It looks brown because I threw some vinegar in there because the water here is pretty hard, but I just threw apple cider vinegar in there on accident, so I promise it's clean water. I got these strawberries for pretty cheap at Aldi. That seems like a lot, but I'm guessing it'll obviously cook down a lot. Alright, I put the water in there and have it over medium heat, and we're gonna let that kind of warm up and come to a boil. Hopefully crush all of it down pretty easily. Okay, I don't know if this is just me, but I just opened a new pack of sponges, and why do they feel wet? Isn't that like literally they feel wet. They always feel kind of wet, and I don't know if I'm crazy or what. Just let me know. Alright, jars and lids are clean. They are into the canner. We're gonna be using the 8-ounce jars today. I think they're called jam jars, honestly. The recipe says it'll be 3 cups, which is about 3 of these, but I always like to have one extra. All right, dunked them in there. We're gonna wait for this to come to a boil, let them boil for about 10 minutes to sterilize them. All right, all of our lids are officially washed. They are nice and washed. We're gonna dry them off. Our strawberries, I had to turn it up to medium high because they just weren't doing much yet. And we're almost at a boil. It's just starting to boil. I'm gonna go ahead and get our Splenda ready. Need a 1/2 cup. This is what fake snow looks like. Is this what they use for like fake snow? Don't inhale Splenda. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside. All right, we're starting to get somewhere with our strawberries. All right, our canner is up to a boil. I've set a timer for 10 minutes. All right, so our strawberries are up to a boil. I think most of them are thawed. So we're gonna attempt to squash them. All right, timer just went off to finish sterilizing the jar, so let's pull them now. So now, according to the directions, we add the pectin and then bring the mixture to a full rolling boil for exactly 1 minute, stirring constantly. And then we turn off the heat, add in the Splenda, and skim off any foam. What? So once that was done, I took the mixture, added it to the jars to a 1/4-inch headspace, which basically means it needs a 1/4 inch from the top of the jar to the jam. I wiped off the top with some apple cider vinegar just to kind of clear it off, make sure the lids get a really nice seal. And I can see from editing that I totally missed some spillage, so that's a little unfortunate. I then put on the rings, hand tight, doesn't have to be too crazy tight. Dropped them into the canner for about 10 minutes. All right, and there we go. So we got the jams into the canner, set a timer for 10 minutes. I'm sure you saw there was a ton of leftover jam that was in the pot. I'm not quite sure what to do with that yet. I think I'm just gonna put it in a jar and then let it cool, put it in the fridge and just see how it sets. I think I just might have got some math wrong with my conversions with this fresh to the frozen strawberries to cups. It was a little confusing to read, and I probably could have researched it a little better, looked it up on YouTube, but hey, it's a learning process. But we'll find out. But yeah, we'll see it in just a second. So this was what was left over from the pan. Basically like double what I made. Looks like I only needed 1 bag of strawberries. Need to make a mental note. So now I am almost expecting this to turn out like a strawberry sauce, maybe? It'd still be pretty good maybe on pancakes, but I guess we won't really know until tomorrow. Here we are. So we gotta wait 24 hours from now. It is about 1 p.m. So we'll see how it is tomorrow around lunch. I'm gonna go ahead and stick these big guys in the fridge once they're cool enough, but these guys we just gotta wait about a day. And if they don't set by then, they'll just go straight into the fridge as well. I guess through the power of editing, we'll see you. So admittedly, it's like a week after I did these. Life happens, okay? But they all look like they set very well. And
more?
Let's crack one open.
More? Want some more?
It's a good sound. More what?
Want some blueberries?
So that's what it meant, I think, by get rid of the foam. That is crazy looking. Give it a stir. Okay, yeah, this definitely did not set as well, but we're still gonna try it. An English muffin. See, it's very, it's almost like a very, very thick strawberry sauce. We're gonna do this side jelly. This is just for me, because I love a peanut butter on a English muffin. Here we go. Okay, I kind of forgot I was reviewing that to see how it tastes. But damn, that was pretty good. Very, very tart, yet I was afraid the Splenda would be too sweet, but it was actually a pretty mild sweetness. It wasn't too crazy sweet, so I definitely want to try that recipe again. Lower the strawberries because that was too much strawberries, but this is like, it's like a sauce. So that's definitely, they'll be good on something. Maybe some pancakes, ooh, some yogurt. I bet that'd be really good. I don't know, different possibilities, but I guess that's it. I'm gonna try this again sometime and you'll definitely see me do it. Thanks again for watching. Bye.